smile.
Yeah, see my big smile?
So we just moved everything into the dorm. Now we just have to organize everything. Alright, so we just finished setting most of everything up in my room. And this is what it looks like. It's pretty cute. I still have some decorations to put up on the wall here, but overall it's looking pretty good.
Yeah, did you get that mocha frappe?
You want a mocha frappe?
Yes.
Hey guys! So today we're going to be showing you my college dorm with my friend Gwen, who's also my roommate. So let's take a look in here. This is our closet. I haven't unpacked a lot, as you can see, but there's a lot of room, which is nice. I have some towels up here, underwear and stuff here, clothes, and then some drawers for my bathroom stuff. And then if we walk out here, we have the microwave, which Gwen brought, and then we have a fridge. I actually put a donut in there, and then we have a bunch of our kitchenware. So here's some plates, bananas, and a bunch of other stuff, and silverware. And what's funny is that me and Gwen got both of the same kind of dishes, so we both have these like pink bowls and plates, which is kind of funny. Alright, then moving into the full dorm part, this is my pink chair, which I will just sit in. Here's a Wisconsin banner, and then over here is kind of like my coffee / hot chocolate station. So this is a coffee maker, which if you guys saw in my what I got for my 18th birthday video, this is the coffee maker I was talking about. We have some tea, brownie mix, hot chocolate, and then we also just have some random like candy, and then my COVID kits. So like in this bag we have some cleaner Lysol wipes and everything, and then we also have some masks and stuff down here, which will be nice because at UW-MADISON we are required to wear a mask at all times. So, then this is my desk. I have a lamp, my computer, I just got an Alexa, and then my planner, a few water bottles, and a pencil holder. And my mom and I just put this up this morning. There's some stickers that I got from Amazon. I think they're really pretty. And then, yeah, in here I just have some office supplies and a bunch more down there. And then I love this fuzzy blanket that's on my bed. We got this from Ross, I think. And then we got this comforter from Kohl's. It's my favorite color. And then some matching shag pillows. And then this is like a bedside holder for like all my bedtime stuff, like medicine and my phone and everything. And then this is my mirror, just for everyday things. And then under the bed we have my shoe rack. So I got some new shoes here, and then I got my red Vans for UW-MADISON colors. We have my violin here, and then we have my bike, my keyboard, and then just some other storage things down there. So that's my side. Now we'll take a look at Gwen's.
Hello everyone. So now we're going to look at my side of the room. So here I have a coffee plant that I got when I first started my job at Starbucks, because, you know, coffee, everything. And here are some like Wisconsin banners that, because like my great, like, I don't know, distant relative went to Madison in graduated in 1911, so I think that's pretty cool. And here's a chair I got from Target, because like we decided our room colors were going to be like pink and blue. And then here's like a beanbag sort of thing that I've had for a while, and on it is this pillow that Bella also actually has in like blue. And then here's my like Madison themed blanket that my grandma knitted or crocheted for me. Yeah, and this is my food cart. I feel like it's pretty like fun. I don't know. I saw like a lot of videos about like going back to school, and they're like everyone should buy a food cart or something, or like a rolling cart. And so here's just like, I guess, my desk. So here's my laptop case, and here's some stuff that I'm probably gonna like hang up on the wall. And yeah, just like some things like this, just like things from like my past I think are kind of cool, and like from tennis. And then here's my pens. I really like my gel pens. Yeah, And then here's all my dishes and stuff. I bought like a lot of, these are like the matching bowls, except mine are blue. I got a lot of these like glass things, I don't know, because I thought it would be like cool. Well, not really now since COVID, but I thought it'd be cool to like pack lunch and like, go somewhere and stuff. Yeah, and then just my side of the closet, I guess. So I brought like pretty much all my clothes, so it's pretty packed. I have like a lot of stuff hung up, and then I bought this like closet organizer, which is actually really nice. And then just like I'm gonna hang my like shoe rack here, so I still have to do that. We need to get some duct tape though, so yeah, that's it.
So thanks guys.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. This was our dorm tour 2020 at UW-Madison. Bye.
Bye.